If your Google Drive recent files list feels cluttered or you want to clear a file from recent so it no longer shows up there, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. This is a simple but important trick, especially if you use Drive every day and want to keep your recent view clean and easier to navigate. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tutorials. It really helps the channel and it lets me know to make more videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You can use any modern browser, but make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so you can see the files you want to manage. Once Drive loads, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Recent. This section shows files you've opened or worked on lately, which is useful, but it can also get crowded over time. Now find the file you want to clear from the recent list. Once you've located it, right-click on the file to open the context menu. In that menu, click Remove. This is the key step. When you remove the file from Drive, it disappears from your recent list because it is no longer available in your Drive view. If you're wondering why this works, it's because Recent in Google Drive is tied to files that are currently accessible in your Drive activity. Removing the file clears it from that list, so you won't keep seeing it there. This is a helpful way to clean up files you no longer need in your recent history. Just keep in mind that removing a file from Drive may affect access depending on whether it's your file or a shared file. So before you click Remove, make sure that's really the file you want to clear. If you only want to hide something from your view without deleting it for everyone, double check the file type and your permissions first, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you can clear recent files in Google Drive and keep your workspace much more organized. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.